Cequent Consumer Products is probably a brand name that a lot of people don't know. You probably know us better by our brand names that we sell to retail. Reese Hitches, Reese Towing Products, Highland Cargo Management and Tie-Down Products. That's who we sell.
Cequent recently worked with Associated, a provider of integrated supply chain solutions, to analyze their distribution operations. Their goal was to uncover opportunities to optimize their warehouse in South Bend, Indiana. As a result of their engineering and design study, Associated provided Cequent with alternatives that would result in improved efficiencies and reduced operating costs. Based on these recommendations, Cequent opted to reconfigure their storage layout, adjust their fleet mix, and reduce process bottlenecks through the use of automation to optimize their fulfillment operation.
We had a feeling that the fleet makeup would change, but when we sat down with the engineering team and laid out for them where our primary pick faces were, we changed the composition primarily away from order pickers to single walkie riders. We had noticed that we were spending too much time in the air picking, so we moved everything to the floor for pick face. Obviously, a single walkie is a less expensive piece of equipment to acquire than a man-up order picker is. It also tends to be faster, and there's less safety concerns operating with that piece of equipment. So there were some big changes there. But we also have a lot of double deep high storage in this building, and the Raymond double deep reach just is a really superior product for us, especially with the cameras and especially with the laser beam sight indicators for the operators. We ended up with a fleet of 29 lifts, and it was a mixture of different products: single walkies, double walkies, order pickers, double deep reach trucks, three-wheel forklifts, and an internal combustion truck.
In addition to the process enhancement solutions, Associated recommended fleet management to further improve their truck and operator performance. The fleet is now equipped with the industry's most advanced fleet optimization tool, Raymond's iWarehouse. This system allows Cequent to operate with greater effectiveness and cost efficiency by providing them with real-time visibility to numerous data points. They can now evaluate and immediately act upon information that directly results in operational and bottom-line improvements. Given Cequent's focus on sustainability, they also chose to employ opportunity charging for lift truck batteries, replacing a former battery charging system.
Certainly in any warehouse operation, battery charging and changing is a big concern. You have the safety concern of maintaining a battery room, of potential spills, of potential dropping a battery, of damaging a battery coming in or out of a piece of equipment, and just the floor space that a battery room ties up, plus the cost of the batteries. So with using the opportunity charging, every truck has one battery in it. We charge at lunch times and we charge between shifts. But we've not had to change a battery here since early 2010.
Another major solution provided by Associated is an extendable conveying system that allows Cequent to save additional labor costs by improving the efficiency in the unloading of import containers in receiving.
We spend a lot of time with labor inside of those containers. At certain times of the year that's not so horrible, but when it's extremely hot out or extremely cold out, it really becomes a quality of life issue for our people. Plus we need to turn those containers relatively quickly. So the Associated engineering team put together a powered receiving conveyor solution for us that we installed this year, and we've noticed about a 30% decrease in unloading time, both in labor and in time in the door for a hand unloaded container.
The results of the integrated solutions Associated provided have helped Cequent to optimize their storage and order fulfillment operations.
Our first year payback was in the tens of thousands of dollars, and that's a composition of between lease, ongoing maintenance for the equipment, and charging for the equipment. So we've experienced a very nice savings. The folks from Associated have been a really good team to work with. They really listen a lot to us. They bring in innovative solutions. They take us out on field trips. They really just spend time working with us to make sure that we're happy and that we're listened to.